Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss trigonometry, very short answer type questions which are very important for Telangana state as well as Andhra Pradesh state. Now we are going to discuss about the problems in trigonometry. Prove that 4 into cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 degrees equal to root 3 plus root 15. So they are asking to prove this result. So consider LHS. In LHS it is 4 into cos of 66 degrees plus sin of 84 degrees. To apply the transformation formulas, both the trigonometry functions should be in same category. So here cos function is there, here sin function is there. So to apply transformations, we need to convert either sin in terms of cos or cos in terms of sin. You have to convert. Now I am converting sin in terms of cos. See here 4 into cos 66 degrees plus sin 84 can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 6 degrees. The meaning cannot be changed. Sin 84 can be written as sin 90 minus 60. What is the formula for sin of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So in place of theta, what value is there? In this 6 degrees is there. So in the next step, it will becomes 4 into cos of 66 degrees plus cos 6 degrees. By using this formula, we got it. After that, it is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Again, we have formula now. Cos C plus cos D. In every step, we have formula. You should thorough with the formulas. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So it will becomes 4 into 2 into cos of 66 degrees plus 6 degrees divided by 2 into cos of 66 degrees minus 6 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 4 into 2 is 8 cos of 66 plus 6 72 by 2 36 into cos of 66 degrees minus 6 60 degrees by 2 cos 30. We know that cos 36 value, in the previous sessions we discussed cos 36 degrees equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Cos 36 and sin 18 both are same, which is equal to cos 30 value we know that no need to write. So 8 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. Here also 8. You have to cancel it. So actual multiplication. Root 3 into root 5. Root A into root B. Root AB. 3 into 5. Plus root 3 into 1. So which is equal to root 15 plus root 3. That only they are asking to prove. So which is equal to root 3 plus root 15 RHS. Hence the result. The next question. Prove that cos 20 into cos 40 degrees minus sin 5 degrees into sin 25 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So first consider LHS. LHS. Cos, first you have to write anyway positive big value, big angle. Cos 40 degrees into cos 20 degrees. Whenever you are writing the product of two trigonometry functions, better to write big angle. Product means A into B or B into A, both are same now. So that is the reason you should write it. Minus sin 25 degrees into sin 5 degrees. But we didn't have any formula, that too 40 degrees, 20 degrees here, 25 degrees, 5 degrees. There is no relation in between these. So what I am doing is multiplying and dividing by 2 for every term. Here total 2 terms are there, which is equal to dividing by 2 and multiplying each and every term by 2. So 2 into cos 40 into cos 20 minus 2 into sin 25 into sin 5 degrees. After that you can apply transformation formula. The first term, if you observe that 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, we have formula, just now I wrote 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Similarly, 2 sin A sin B. By using these two formulas, we will get the answer. 2 sin A sin B equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Based on these two formulae, you will get the answer. So here, half into 2, this is A, this is B. Cos of A plus B. Cos of 40 plus 20 plus cos of 40 minus 20. The first term is completed. Minus, keep bracket, 2 sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B, 25 minus 5. Minus cos of A plus B, 25 plus 5. So which is equal to half into cos 60 degrees plus cos 20 minus 25 minus 5, 20. Cos 20 minus cos 30, 25 plus 5, which is equal to half into cos 60 plus cos 20 minus cos 20 minus into minus plus cos 30. So plus cos 20 minus cos 20 get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM now. So which is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4, which is our required RHS. The next question. Prove that cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees equal to cot 36 degrees. So consider LHS. 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees. Now what I am doing is cos 9 degrees I am taking common from the numerator as well as denominator. Otherwise you can write like this also. Divide numerator and denominator by cos 9 degrees. Both the meaning is same. So here cos 9 degrees I am taking common. Whichever the term we are taking common, it should be divisible for the next term. So cos 9 if we are taking common, whose multiple is here 1, coefficient, plus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees whole divided by cos 9 degrees take common from the for the denominator 1 minus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees. Cos 9 degrees get cancelled. 1 plus sin by cos is tan, so tan 9 degrees divided by 1 minus sin 9 by cos 9 is tan 9 degrees. We have formula 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to tan of 45 degrees plus A. This is the formula. So in place of A, what value is there here? 9. So it can be written as tan of 45 degrees plus 9 degrees, which is equal to tan of 45 plus 9, 54 degrees. But they are asking to prove in terms of cot. So tan 54 can be written as tan of 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. 90 minus 36 is equal to 54. So tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta only, no? Which is equal to cot 36 degrees. We have formula, I think everyone knows, but still I am writing. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. So hence RHS, the required RHS. The next question. If sin alpha equal to 3 by 5, where pi by 2 is less than alpha is less than pi, evaluate cos 3 alpha and tan 2 alpha. First you have to know the formulas for cos 3 alpha and tan 2 alpha. See here, cos 3 alpha four cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. This is the formula for cos 3 alpha. And tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha in terms of tan. 2 tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. So we have clarity about formulas. After writing this formula step, from the given information, you can calculate cos alpha and tan alpha values. So given sin alpha equal to 3 by 5 and alpha value is given here, pi by 2 is less than alpha is less than pi. That implies that alpha belongs to second quadrant. Pi by 2 is less than alpha is less than pi means the value of alpha belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos alpha and tan alpha both are negative. Cos alpha comma tan alpha are negative. That means both values are negative. In second quadrant, in Q2, sin alpha equal to 3 by 4, 5 by using Pythagoras theorem. Here it is alpha. Opposite by hypotenuse. Obviously it is 4. We know that Pythagorean triples. 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triple. So from here, cos alpha value calculate. Cos alpha equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, but it is negative now. So whenever it is negative, you write it as minus 4 by 5. And tan alpha equal to opposite by adjacent side. So minus 3 by 4. So we got these values. Now one by one you can calculate. Cos 3 alpha. The first one. Cos 3 alpha equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha, which is equal to 4 into cos alpha whole cube minus 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into minus 4 by 5, which is equal to 4 into minus 4 whole cube minus 64 divided by 5 cube 125. 5 into 5 into 5 minus into minus is plus. 12 divided by 5. So LCM is here 125. 125 ones are 1 into minus 64 into 4. So minus 4 is 16. 4 is 24 and 1 25 minus 256. 5 into 25 times 25 into 12. 25 into 12. 24 6 300. So plus 300. So which is equal to 300 minus 256 is equal to 44. 44 divided by 125, which is the value of cos 3 alpha. Here I am writing the conclusion step. Therefore, cos 3 alpha is equal to 44 divided by 125. Now move to the second value. Tan 2 alpha. Write formula. 2 tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha, which is equal to 2 into, in place of tan alpha, minus 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square, which is equal to minus 6 by 4. I am not cancelling, directly I am writing, by 1 minus 9 by 16. Minus 3 by 4 whole square, 9 by 16. So minus 6 by 4 whole divided by 16 minus 9 divided by 16. Minus 6 by 4 divided by 7 by 16, which is equal to minus 6 by 4 into 16 divided by 7. 4 ones are 4 fours are minus 24 divided by 7. Therefore, tan 2 alpha is equal to minus 24 divided by 7. We'll go to the next question. The next question. If cos theta equal to minus pi by 13, where pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi, then find sin 2 theta, like previous problem only. Here they are asking to calculate sin 2 theta. First you write formula for sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the formula. So from the given information, we have only sin theta value, cos theta value. You have to calculate sin theta by using the identities. First step given, cos theta equal to minus 5 by 13 and pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi, which implies that theta belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, they are asking to calculate. Here cos theta is there, no, we need to calculate sin theta also. In second quadrant, sin theta is positive. So sin theta formula, sin theta equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos square theta. But here sin is positive, no? You consider only plus here. Square root of 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square, which is equal to square root of 1 minus 25 divided by 169, which is equal to square root of 169 is the LCM. 169 minus 25, which is equal to square root of 144 divided by 169, which is equal to 12 divided by 13. Therefore, the value of sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. After getting the value of sin theta, they are asking to calculate sin 2 theta, no? So now, sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to 2 into sin theta value 12 by 13 into cos theta value minus 5 by 13, which is equal to 5 to the 10, 10 into 12, 20, minus 120 divided by 13 into 13, 169. 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 12, 120. Therefore, sin 2 theta equal to minus 120 divided by 169. You can leave it. The next question. For what values of x in the first quadrant 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x is positive? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square is the formula for what? Tan 2x. First we write it. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, which is equal to tan 2x. Directly you can write as greater than 0. Why? Because x in the first quadrant. First quadrant is all positive now. So tan 2x is greater than 0. That means tan 2x is greater than 0. Positive they said. Positive is greater than 0. This value is positive. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x equal to tan 2x is greater than 0. That is the reason it is positive. And we observe that whenever it is in first quadrant, 2x is lies between 0 and pi by 2 only, no? So that implies that 0 is less than 2x is less than pi by 2. Since x in the first quadrant, x belongs to first quadrant. But I want x value, not 2x. So dividing by 2. So 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4. That means in the first quadrant, in the quadrant of from 0 to pi by 2. First quadrant means 0 to pi by 2, no? So here from 0 to pi by 2, from here to here it is pi by 2. So in this first quadrant, in what interval it is greater than 0, that is they are asking. So that implies that x belongs to open interval of 0 comma pi by 4. In this interval, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x value is positive. That's all answer. For what values of x value, x is belonging to open interval of 0 comma pi by 4, that 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x is positive. This is the answer, required answer. The next question. Prove that tan alpha equal to sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha, and hence deduce that the values of tan 15 and tan 22.5 degrees. See here, prove that tan alpha equal to sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. To prove this result, I am considering generally considering LHS getting RHS now. Now I am taking reverse here. I am considering RHS. Consider RHS. Sin 2 alpha divided by 1 plus cos 2 alpha, which is equal to sin 2 alpha formula 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 2 sin alpha into cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. So similarly 2 cos square alpha. So 2 get cancelled. One of the cos alpha also cancelled. So the remaining is sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Sin alpha by cos alpha is what? Tan alpha. That is required LHS now. So therefore LHS. You can give the conclusion. Therefore tan alpha equal to sin 2 alpha divided by, now onwards you can utilize as a shortcut formula also. 1 plus cos 2 alpha. By using this result, the first question here, tan alpha, you put as equation number 1. Put alpha equal to 15 in equation 1. We get tan 15 degrees equal to sine of 2 into 15 degrees divided by 1 plus cos 2 alpha, that means 2 into 15 degrees, which is equal to sine 30, 2 into 15, sine 30 divided by 1 plus cos 30, which is equal to sine 30 1 by 2 by 1 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. After taking LCM here, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3. So rationalizing, multiplying and dividing by rationalizing factor, 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 divided by a plus b into a minus b. 2 square 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 1. Ultimately, the value of tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. Next, they are asking tan 22 degrees now. So here, where we have to write, better to write there now. The second one. Put alpha equal to 22.5 degrees in equation 1. In equation 1 means this value, this one. In place of alpha, 22.5 we are writing. 22.5 meaning is what? 45 degrees by 2. It is a mixed fraction. 22 into 2, 44 plus 1 is 45 by 2. So, you will get tan 22.5 degrees is equal to sine 2 alpha, sine of 2 into 45 degrees by 2, 2 to get cancelled, by 1 plus cos 2 into 45 degrees by 2, 2 to get cancelled. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, divided by 1 plus cos 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 divided by, take LCM here, root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled, 1 by root 2 plus 1. Again rationalizing, tan 22.5 equal to root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 into 1 by root 2 minus 1, rationalizing with respect to denominator. So, root 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to root 2 minus 1. Therefore, conclusion step, tan 22.5 degrees equal to root 2 minus 1. So tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. Tan 22.5 degrees is root 2 minus 1. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If 0 is less than theta is less than pi by 8, show that square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 cos 4 theta equal to 2 into cos theta by 2. You have to prove that result. Consider LHS. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta, which is equal to, from these two take common, square root of 2 plus square root of 2, I am taking common, 1 plus cos 4 theta. We have the formula 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Here A is there. In this half of the angle we are getting. Similarly, here 4 theta is there. In this half angle we are getting. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 2 cos square 4 theta by 2. So which is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4. We can take outside of the root. It will become as 2 into square root cancel. 4 theta by 2 is cos 2 theta. Again take common 2 from these two, which is equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Again 1 plus cos 2 theta you have to write as root of 2 plus root of 2 into cos square 2 theta divided by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. Even here also 2 ones are 2 2s are. I wrote already. So 2 into 2 is 4. We can take outside of the root. It will become as 2 into 2 plus 2 to the 4. We can take outside of the root. It will become as 2 into square root cancel cos 2 theta. So theta only, cos theta. Again 2 take common from these two. Square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta we can write it as 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2. Square root of 2 into cos square theta by 2. So 2 2s are 4. We can take outside of the root. It will become as 2. Square and root will be cancelled. We will get it as cos theta by 2. Hence proved, which is required RHS. The next question. If theta is not a multiple of pi by 2, prove that tan theta plus 2 times of 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 times of tan 4 theta plus 8 times of tan 8 theta equal to cot theta. In our trigonometry, number of standard results are there. In that one of the standard results we have tan A equal to cot A minus 2 into cot 2A. This is the one of the best results, good results. Tan A equal to cot A minus 2 cot 2A. Based on, by using this formula, we are going to prove this result now. Now consider LHS. Tan theta plus 2 into tan 2 theta plus 4 into tan 4 theta plus 8 into tan 8 theta. So which is equal to, in place of tan theta, cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 into, in place of tan 2 theta, wherever a is there, 2 theta you should write it. So it will becomes cot 2 theta minus 2 into cot 2a it is. That means 2 times of 2 theta is 4 theta. Cot 4 theta plus 4 into tan 4 theta, wherever a is there, 4 theta if you replace. So cot 4 theta minus 2 into cot 2 times of 4 theta, that is 8 theta, plus last one 8 into tan 8 theta. In place of a, 8 theta you have to write it. So cot 8 theta minus 2 times of cot 16 theta. So which is equal to cot theta minus 2 into cot theta, 2 theta, plus 2 into cos 2, it's not cos, it is cot. So cot 2 theta minus 4 into cot 2 theta, 4 theta, plus 4 cot 4 theta minus 2 into 4, minus 8 cot 8 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta minus 16 cot 16 theta. Now here what are the possibilities? Minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 cot 2 theta cancel. So these two, minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta cancel. Minus 4 cot theta plus 4 cot 4 theta. Minus 8 cot 8 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta get cancel. After that, cot theta minus 16 cot 16 theta. So how to get it is cot theta? 1 minute. Yeah, here dear students, in the question itself here, tan theta plus 2 tan theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus e here 8 cot 8 theta, not tan theta here, you remember. It is, the question is 8 cot 8 theta. So this step it won't come directly, it will come as only 8 after completing of this step. 8 cot 8 theta, here also 8 cot 8 theta. So these two will be cancelled, the rest of the term is only cot theta, the rest of the term. They are asking to prove that cot theta. No, here I forgot to write here, the question is wrong before what I wrote. This is the right one, 8 cot 8 theta. So it is required RHS. You can utilize this as a shortcut formula also, this result, tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta equal to cot theta. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If ABC or angles of triangle ABC and if none of them is equal to pi by 2, then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Here ABC are angles of triangle ABC. So here given that A comma B comma C are angles of triangle ABC, then we have A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. After that, what I am doing is C value I am taking this side, not only C, any value you can take either A or B or C. Generally I am taking as C. A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Taking tan on both sides, tan of A plus B equal to tan of 180 minus C. Tan of 180 minus C is less than, that means it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, 180 is even multiple of pi by 2. So tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. That means minus tan C. And tan of A plus B formula you have to write. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So cross multiplying tan A plus tan B is equal to minus tan C into 1 minus tan A into tan B. That implies tan A plus tan B equal to minus tan C into 1 minus tan C. Minus into minus is plus tan A into tan B into tan C. So minus tan C we can take this side, LHS side. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C, which is required result. They are asking to prove that, hence the result. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. In the next episode, we are going to discuss the concepts of the problems which are related to periodicity. That episode we are going to conduct in the next session. Thank you all.